Pictures of kids. She's gonna scrapbook pictures of kids. Grab some paper. Pictures of kids. Embellishments. Pictures of kids. Of our grandkids. And now here she is. Once again, that scrapbooker extraordinaire, Terry Rice.
Yay, let's hear it from my MC. Okay, today I am scrapbooking Brenna. She just graduated this year. And I am using Mintay's Academia. And I already showed you these during the pictures of hand, but I was actually going to use like a big piece of this. And then when I flipped it over, it had this down at the bottom. And I thought, oh, that'd be kind of cute. So I decided to cut this down here. And guess what? I didn't finish cutting this little flower out. So I'm going to quickly do this. It's like as soon as I lifted up, I seen that that wasn't working right. Okay. There we go. That looks better. So I am going to put this down here. So I decided just to mat it in this. And I cut it a 1/4 inch bigger than the photo. So I'm going to put on that. I just think this is such a pretty picture. I have to say, they must have got their coloring from their dad's side because I could not wear green like the like the background of this. They look great in it. Okay. And I am going to, since I'm overlapping that piece of paper, or that, what do I call that? That fussy cut piece. I am going to glue this down. And right here I can see that there's like a white line, and I'll take some walnut stain and put over that. I thought I had it on my counter or on my table here, but I do not, so I will do that later. Okay. So I'm actually going to center it right on top of these, this 3rd row up. Unless it makes sure I do have it going the right direction. Oh, you can't tell from there. Oh yeah, because this is where I cut it off. I was thinking, yeah, I'm sure those little shell handles were in that direction. I actually don't know what they call them, but they look like a little seashell. Okay, I think that should be even there. Let me see. Yep, it's 2. Yep, that's very close. Actually, I could slide over here a little bit more, but this looks even with this, so I'm going to leave it like that. No, I am not going to leave it like that because I am 4 up. Were you all going, Terry, it's in the wrong place, it's in the wrong place?
I was.
I just think like when I miss a letter or add a letter, or I'm thinking somebody must be yelling at me. Okay, and then here's that piece I cut out, and I love how this looks. But I really love the green, that's why I wanted that there. And I mean, to me, it's like it already looks very pretty like that. Okay, and I'm gonna glue the little fine details, or the husband's got the fireplace going, so it's like I'm cooking in this room and then the other rooms are cold, so I don't know how to dress.
Wood stove, not fireplace.
Oh. It looks like a fireplace to me with a wood stove in it.
A wood stove insert, yes.
Yes. He's so specific.
You have to be specific, ladies and germs, when you're married to the scrapbooker extraordinaire.
I'll tell you, he's going to be retiring soon, and then he's going to be here all the time. So you better get used to him. If I have to, you have to. And if anybody else knows what I'm going through, let me know. Okay, I did glue that down. Okay. Thought I better make sure I put glue on there. This side looks like it's still up. Okay. I'll just leave the glue open because I'm sure I'll use it again. Oh, you know what? I was gonna tuck a bunch of stuff. But let's see, I can just cut some of this off because you know how much of it showed? Very little. In fact, this is probably too much. Oh, and I got my tiny scissors here. Only. Okay. Probably about there. And then I've got this extra piece here. Now this was also at the top of this. So there, it was at the top, and I thought that's just so pretty. Maybe I want some of that color up here. So I'm gonna put this here too. Yeah, I think that's good right there. Okay. I'll have to put some extra tape there. Okay, and then I'm gonna put this here, and then I'm gonna tuck that other one underneath it, so you're gonna see me do more of the squeezing that in there. Okay, so that's, think about where I want it. Nope, I actually want it over this. Okay, that's it. And then I have the smaller one, and let me make sure I have it upright. That actually needs a little of this, that I could cut that off quite a bit, but I'm just gonna leave it. Okay. And then I'm gonna put the title, and I'm just gonna call it Senior Year. And I'm gonna pause and put this on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just put Senior Year. It looks like it's the title of that song. Okay, and then I've got a book, or maybe it's like a journal with a pencil. Right there. And then I have, it's like a bundle of papers, an envelope, a ruler, and a clock. I thought this is perfect because it's like, you know how time flies. I mean, it seems like yesterday she was a baby. And if you're a parent or a grandparent, you know exactly what I mean. Okay. And then I have a butterfly because I like symbolic things, and I figured that's why it's in here. And where is my dimensionals? Oh, I can't get in here. Okay, so I'm gonna get one of these. I like to use the round ones because you can kind of go to the curve of the, inside of the wing or whatever I'm trying to say. And I always put the glue right where the body is. And I'm going to put it right down here where it's kind of just barely touching the ruler and paper and the wood drawers. Okay. And then I have these keys. And I'm sure everything is symbolic in here, as well. You got the keys to success is graduating, going to school. Okay, and I'm just going to let them overlap the picture too, dangling down here at the side like they're just hanging there. And then I have this rose that I'm going to stick up here. And she is Brenna Rose, so that's perfect. I was going to put this key underneath here. Do I need it? I'm just wondering because I have the keys here, so do I need it here? I think I put this up here earlier before I decided I was hanging keys there. So, let me think about it a minute while I glue this part down. I think I'm gonna curve this up a little bit. And this here. And maybe these, they look kind of wore out, so they're probably need to be a little bit curved too. Okay, I gotta look at it again now. Do I want this here? Or not? I think I'm gonna put it there. It looks like it's missing something now that I've had it there and then moved it. And the letters are from Heidi Swap. And I bought a few different colors of those. I really like them. Because I didn't want a great big title because I want to be able to journal something, whatever she would like to have journaled here. And so now I've just got enamel dots. And I'm going to use these pale pink ones. They look like this color. And let's see, I think I can do this without pulling that off. I think I'm going to put 5 over in this area. I don't want that there, I want it up here. Okay, I like that. And let's see, I think I'll trying to enamel dot it kind of as its own little group of embellishments. Pull that up a little. So I'll probably do 5 over here too. Want that pushed up a little. Okay. Where do I want it? Decisions. I think that's good. And I will probably put the date right there. I don't have my little marker over here. I do have the white one. I wonder how that would look. I'm going to write on the back of this. I think I'll like it better with the black. So I'm going to just put the date right here, and then when I know what she wants written on here, then I will probably just print it out from the computer. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll be back doing another one of the layouts from Photos at Hand. So I will see you then. I will have close-ups at the end, and have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.